and welcome to a new video. So today I was thinking of painting something different, and I haven't painted a lot of animals, but today I wanted to paint a duck. We were walking the other day and I saw some ducks and I filmed them a little bit. So I'm going to take a still image from that video and paint from that. And also I'm mainly focusing on the basic shapes and light and shadow, and I try not to focus too much on the details. So let's get to painting. Okay, so I have tinted the canvas with burnt sienna, and also today I'm using this Gambling's solvent-free gel, actually for the first time, and testing how it goes with the oils. And also using these two filbert brushes for the painting. And I start by sketching with burnt sienna and trying to find the main things of the picture. For example, the main ripples of the water, and also there were some greeneries or plants floating on the surface. So I sketched a couple of those, and also the main thing, which was the duck. And the angle is slightly from above, so it wasn't that easy to sketch that in, and I had to make the duck a little bit bigger at some point and really watch the reference picture and see what parts are shown and how is the duck placed in the composition. And then I started painting the darkest parts of the water, and the blue is mixed between Prussian blue, cobalt blue and a little bit French ultramarine. And I paint in the darkest parts and the highlights of the water. And after that I mixed a mid-tone so I could paint in the largest areas of the water in. Then I used the green for the floating bits in the water, and the green is mainly sap green mixed with titanium white and a little bit with the already mixed blues. There was this little circle on the water and these little ripples where the duck has one, and it was really fun to see how can you get the effect with just a couple of simple brush strokes. And I think that made a big difference with the feeling that the duck is moving and the painting doesn't feel still or frozen. Painting the duck and all around this painting was a good learning experience for me, because I am used to paint as much of the details that I could and was capable of. And with this painting it was all about finding the right colors and brush strokes. And with also the reference photo being zoomed in a still photo of a video, it was already blurred, so that helped a little bit because I couldn't see the details on the photo either. And then I started painting the foreground with green tones and browns, because you could see to the bottom of the lake in this part. And I didn't start painting specific rocks or parts at the bottom, just using colors and brush strokes to make the illusion that you could see through the surface. Here I am trying to get the duck's shadow painted, but it was really difficult, especially the peak, that where it is pointed on the shadow and how does it look. And in the end I was pleased how I got it to look, but it was a difficult one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for my future content, and all my social links are down in the description below, and I will see you next time. Bye!